Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Soundcore Life P2 not charging in case. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, check the charging setup. Use the different charging cable and charger to ensure the issue is not with the power source. Okay, and verify that the charging cable is securely connected to both the charger and the case. Okay. After that, our second step is clean the charging contact. Gently clean the charging contact on the both earbud and the cases with the soft dry cloth. Ensure there is no debris or dirt obstructing the charging connection. Okay, so make sure that. And then check the case battery status. Close the LED of the charging case. Press the button located on the back of the case near the charging port of to check the battery status LEDs. And then ensure the case itself is holding a charging and providing a power to earbud. And if all of these steps is still not working for you, you can reach out the Soundcore customer support. Go to their website soundcore.com and go to the contact us page, and here you can see live chat, email, every kind of support they have. You can go through this and ask your help, whatever kind of help you need. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys.